kind of test testing out on a Hackintosh running AMD. So this goes. There seems to be a little bit of a lag, an occasional blackout. I'm using an AMD graphic card, so theoretically we'll have single player. Right now, go to multiplayer. There's a bit of a lag there, but let's see what we can do. Hopefully, there's not lag between what happens in game and what is seen audio in game versus. So, using black hole. Oh yeah, that's so weird. There's definitely. Yep. And I don't think it syncs it up at all, which is kind of unfortunate. Like if I could make it. Oh hey, look at that! Look at that. Okay. So on this side at least. Yep, and a solid frame per second. Not bad, not bad. And I think we're having some weird CPU issues. I'm not exactly sure what, but you know. Yeah, not great. Let's see if we turn these back to just fancy graphics. Yeah, mouse is there. We'll pull up when I let go. There you go. Have any foods? I don't know, I'm a very strange set. Alright, let's see what it's looking like so far here. Here. Block. Oh, yeah. It's actually really cool. So I don't understand entirely how it works. Yeah. This actually looks really cool, I'll tell you what. Okay, yeah, so we were going to stream last night and test stuff out, but I had some other things I didn't need to get done. So it looks like he did a considerable amount of the work, which is really surprising. And it looks like he got oh my. I've been doing some work here. I don't necessarily approve of it. Let's see here. Panic. Someone was getting busy with the signs. Who the heck is what is going on there? Interesting. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Just building materials. So let's see about the sound. Here we go. Test. There's definitely a delay there. That's unfortunate. Very strange indeed. But I do like this kind of plonk up deal. And it's just the right amount of push that you don't die. Yes. Okay, let's see here. Does some more things. I'm gonna check on the stream. See what it looks like here. Strange indeed. But I do like this kind of plonk up deal. And it's just the right amount of push that you don't die. Yes. Okay, let's see here. It's like audio does some more things. I'm gonna let's stream now that we're listening. See what This is so meta and weird, but okay. Let's go and jump. Oh, God, I do. Of course, I wasn't running there. Plonk up you, yeah. That's kind of rough. And it's just the right amount of push that you know that guy. Okay. It's like audio stuff. Okay, no, it does some more things. I'm gonna get yeah, let's stream. Now that we're listening. And now we're actually testing. So meta and weird, but okay. Let's go and jump. Oh, God, I do. Of course, I wasn't running there. Plonk up you, yeah. That's kind of rough. And it's just the right amount of push that you know that guy. Okay. So it's not. It's like audio stuff. It's not what we do that. You know what I mean? So I'm not the one. Okay, that's good. Yeah, let's stream. Now that we're listening. And now we're actually testing. So now it's a loop. This is eventually going to get pretty bad. Of course, I wasn't running there. Ooh. To you twice. And it's just the right amount of push that you know that guy. Okay. So it's not. It's like audio stuff. It's not what kind of word I do that. You know, I want to see maybe I can get like a music thing going on. That would be actually kind of neat. And now we're actually testing. So now it's a loop. This is eventually going to get pretty bad. It's all gone. It's all gone. You can wait for the entire cycle for it to be done. I mean, it's already going to be done at this point, but let's just try and measure the amount of time. What basically the delay is. This would be kind of fun. Maybe not fun, but anyway. Stopwatch. We're going to start it as soon as we put this back on. Go ahead and just say, do a quick. I'm just going to do a quick slap on the table. Wait for the entire cycle for it to be done. I mean, it's already going to be done at this point, but let's just try and measure the amount of time. What basically the delay is. This would be kind of fun. Maybe not fun, but anyway. Stopwatch. We're going to start it as soon as we put this back on. Go ahead and just say, do a quick. I'm just going to do a quick slap on the table. Okay. Wait for the entire cycle. 25 seconds. So, if we could do a loop or something, that'd be kind of interesting. So let's try it. Let's wait until, I'm going to have to be silent for a bit. Wait until silent, loop 25 seconds later. Well, 20 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and start the silence right about now. Now it's just ridiculous. Nonetheless, interesting experiment. Because someone could feasibly decide to try out doing something like, you know, a full set of. And of course, people do this professionally. I just thought it'd be interesting with something like streaming. I think the variable depends on the person. But if it's the same delay for me, I should be able to loop stuff kind of live on the fly, which would be kind of neat. As long as I can fit it in 25 seconds. That's the difficult part, as far as I can understand. So, yeah. One question I have about this entire setup: how do I escape? Bonjour, mon ami. We here, sir. Yes, indeed. I speak no French, by the way. I was just jumping. Okay, so here are those jumping mechanisms. And I believe he will cover this in protective material, else gas problems. Gassed, not gas problems, gassed problems. Sure. Well, interesting test, I think. So,